been having a lot of work back at home, so I really took this trip away from home just to relax, and I think I really got whatever relaxation I need.
I had got your connect through the social media, and I'm a very, very great lover of the wildlife and wilderness. And unfortunately, I had missed this magnificent national park, Bandhavgarh, for one reason or the other. And finally, I got this opportunity to do this, and it has been a magical experience.
It's a beautiful forest, and the sal, it's an evergreen, so you hardly see it, you hardly see the fall. I mean, because it falls, the leaves, and then again it blossoms. So it's more or less evergreen. And the landscape was divided into tall trees and grasslands. And then there were some rocky areas, and of course the fort and the Sheshaya Mandir. Oh, that was very beautiful. That is, I think, very, very unique to Bandhavgarh.
Flora, fauna, and the kind of experiences while you get while driving, the variety of the wildlife on view. In fact, I was surprised to see even elephants in this park. It's completely took me by surprise, but it's totally magical.
Coming to animals, we saw, apart from tigers, mongoose, lot of spotted deers, barking deers, the bison, the Indian bison, goat, the wild hogs, wild elephant we saw.
All the lovely birds. I really loved it, and the sounds of all the birds. And I've made a list. Probably I didn't bring the list along, but more than, I should say, about 50 to 60 species of birds. We got to hear their sounds and look at it and sit and watch it. It was really amazing. And of course, we got to see the kill also this time, just like Kabini, the eagle with the snake. That was something, not my favorite, but yes, it's a part of the jungle. I really enjoyed every moment with the animals, I should say.
It was the female. I think, what was it? Chobera female. And the fact that she was on a hillock. She was resting on top of a stone ledge. It was far, but we had great view because of our binocs.
It was the last safari where we waited over 2.5 hours. We were seeing the tiger all along, resting,
flip-flopping.
And tiger presumably had a hunt and belly was full. We waited until the tiger got up and started walking. We followed the tiger and we got some great shots, and that was really a fantastic icing on the cake.
Monsoon Forest, yes, it is a very good resort. The spacious rooms are good, and food is good. They are ready to experiment. They are ready to give you what you believe in, what you like to have. They sort of go out of the way to serve you the way you want it. Very, very pleasant demeanor about the way they conducted themselves. And it's a good stay for people who like quality, people who like an experience, and definitely worth visiting again.
They looked after us really very well. And I should mention one of the staff, Alok. Yeah, he was really very kind. I mean, in fact, we were discussing how much early these guys need to get up in the morning to prepare all the lunches, breakfast, and the.
That we should say.
And it was so neatly packed.
Neatly packed, and everything was
taken care of.
Taken care of.
So we never felt hungry during the 6-hour safari nor the 3-hour safari. Like, we were very well taken care of.
Our safari driver, for all the 5 drives, he was excellent. I mean, he had his patience, he had his knowledge of the parks.
Pankaj was excellent. His skills, his patience, the way he talks, the way he conducts himself, his knowledge, especially about the ace predator, was spot on. He knew where it will come, everything. Was very good, Pankaj, actually, and a very kind-hearted person. Mr. The Seshaya, I told I can't walk, but he said, no, you should come back, you should not miss this. And he gave me confidence. And whenever I feel I couldn't climb on the jeep, no, so every time when I was ready with the stool or that basket, and very nice, kind-hearted person.
Guides were well behaved, well experienced also, and they sort of guided wherever really necessary. But I think the magic was with the driver, Mr. Pankaj. The knowledge that Shashank has about the birds and the flora and the behavior of both birds and the mammals and the knowledge of the forest in particular areas of the forest shows the kind of grinding he has done and the learning he has got, and that he's willing to impact and pass it on to the group. He never loses his patience with anyone, and very soft demeanor and very pleasant to deal in, very high professional qualities, and definitely will be my to-go person for the next safari.
We feel very comfortable
With you, traveling with you. Probably I'll be bringing more of our family also next time. Thank you so much, Shashank.
Thank you, Shashank. Thank you so much. This trip was totally relaxing, amazing, very peaceful and everything. All credit goes to you and my sister-in-law.
I would not be able to compare how other people organize a safari, but with Shashank, there is no stone unturned. So I look forward for my forthcoming safaris with Shashank.
That was an amazing safari, guys. If you would like to in fact join us on our safari tours and expeditions, please do connect with us on the platforms mentioned below. And if you'd like to know more on India's wildlife and our protected areas, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us. See you next time.